The purpose of this is to get one object moving to an exact point on another object. So in this example, I want to pick the very bottom vertex on this sphere and get it to sit immediately in the center point of this plane. Right now that sphere is in a deliberately arbitrary position, and yes, I could do things like using the gimbal to move it all around and get it where it's sitting where I wanted, but I think it's preferable to use something like this for me. First step is focus on the thing that will be moving, not the thing that's static. So the thing will be moving is the sphere for my case. So with the sphere selected, go into edit mode, and then we're going to select the bottom vertex. I do a Shift S, and I'm going to send the cursor to the selected point, that vertex. So there's the 3D cursor, and then I go back to object mode for the sphere, and then I right click and I say set origin to 3D cursor. And there that is. So that's that stage. Next thing to do is to now put the focus on the static thing. So I'm going to select this plane, go into edit mode, and do a Shift S for a snap again, and now do cursor to selected on here. Okay, so there's the cursor. And for the final step, I go back to the, in fact I'm going to tab out of, tab back into object, and I go back to the sphere, do a Shift S, and say selection to cursor. And that has snapped it to the specific point that I wanted. Done.